Hi, I'm Matt Gordon, and this is my second project submission for the CS50W class. Here we are on the index page, and we'll talk a little bit more about that later, but I'm going to go ahead and jump into an entry page, and we'll start talking about how my submission meets all of the specs. So you can see here we're at the proper URL with the title of the page as the final element of the URL. We'll get more into that edit link in a little bit. Let me show you what happens when someone requests an entry page that does not exist. Get a very simple error page that says the requested page was not found. Yes, I could have put that into the layout like the other pages, but that wasn't really specifically said in the spec, so I kind of left it the way it was. It would be easy to do, obviously, because I've done all these other pages within the layout, so it's not like that's difficult to do or anything. Moving over to the home page, you can see here how each of the entries has the appropriate link, and so we can show you that there. Now let's talk about search. I'm going to search for the letter T. If I hit enter, it gives me the search results with the letter T in the title. You can click through to that and show you that those links work as expected. Now we'll talk about what happens when someone types the title exactly into the search bar. The spec says it needs to go right to that page, and it does. Now let's talk about creating a new page. I can enter the title here, and in the body, I will say, do a little bit of Markdown here. When I submit that, it takes me right to the new page I've just created. And as you can see, it shows up there on the index page, clickable link there. Now let's go back and try to create a page with a name that already exists. Now when I enter that, it says, nope, the entry already exists. Go back and try another title, which is something I can do. Now let's talk about editing. I'm going to click into my test page and click the edit link, and that takes me to a screen where I can edit my entry. One thing I want you to notice is that although the title is here, that's read only. I can't enter anything in there because that's just really for the reference of the user. So when I edit the page and save, it takes me back, and you can see that the new text is added exactly as we would expect. You'll also notice, and I didn't point this out earlier, although you probably saw, that, yeah, the body is pre-populated with exactly what was, on the page before we make our edits. So now let's talk about the random page feature. Here's a random page, and another one, and another one. And I think that you may have noticed that all of the Markdown is being displayed as HTML. So, there's a link there, that kind of thing. So that all works as expected. So thanks for taking a look at it, and thanks for grading.